This is probably one of the biggest light bulbs you have ever seen and I have ever experienced. And let me show you something super cool that I found out that these light bulbs can actually do. Just look at the size of it. And when you actually take the light bulbs to such a scale, let me show you something that they can do. Watch the lanterns behind me. And I will explain how it works with science in just a second. Do you see it? The lanterns are actually turning into different colors, just as if I was using this remote right over here. And what actually is happening is because these lanterns work on a RGB principle and they are reactive to infrared light, right? So they are basically waiting for a signal for this remote control to send. But because, wait, where do I have the, oh yeah, here. These little controllers, they are waiting for the infrared light to actually hit them. And because this light bulb is so massive, it actually is able to spread a lot more than just visible light. It spreads the whole spectrum of all electromagnetic impulses, and one of them is the infrared one. So naturally, these lanterns that are made to react to these signals, they start reacting even though it wasn't made by the controller. So I'm able to now, with this massive light bulb, do the same as with this one, just with a bit less of a control. And I found that super cool because I never knew that these light bulbs were able to produce such a crazy result. So just something that, again, science was able to explain to me, and I don't freak out about it because I know that ghosts aren't real because science explained it better. You know, E-Tech.